In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a miniature boutique. It might also have like a salon portion on the side and like an entire closet wardrobe. First, I just took a room that has 3 walls so far and I made this out of foam board. I just cut huge rectangles and measured them to the space that I wanted to fit them in. Over here, I added some popsicle sticks for architecture on the wall and then painted them white. I don't have a wall over here because I'm going to add in a closet piece. So I'm going to show you how to make that part now. I start with a large rectangle that would fit onto the other wall of foam board. So first I'm going to make it kind of like a tray or a box. So I'm going to make the pieces around it. I'm going to have 1.5 inch thick pieces that can go all the way around. So now I have this kind of box because it has foam board on all sides. I sketched out where I wanted to put the different shelves on here, and now I'm going to cut out foam board and glue it onto the lines. I also glued in some thin popsicle sticks. These are like clothes hangers. I glued this closet unit into the right side of the room. Later on, I'm going to put some dresses and stuff in there. But now I'm going to make some drawers for in part of it so that it doesn't look like... Well, actually I just don't have stuff to fill all of these, so I'm going to make drawers for some of them. I'm actually going to make the drawers out of wood because then they're more sturdy. So first I just take the wood and then I'm going to measure how the back of the drawer would be. This wood that I have can actually just be cut with scissors. I also cut 2 pieces that are the same size for the sides of the drawer. I also glue on a bottom piece and then I'm going to wait for this to dry and then add the front piece. First I just glue 1 piece on the front. It's a little bigger like this. I glued popsicle sticks going around the border of it to make it a trim. I took some really thin strips of wood to make a handle. I'm going to glue that on later because I want it to remain wood. I'll make another one. Or however many drawers you want to be in there. Actually, we're going to go back to those drawers later while the glue is drying. Now I'm going to take a thin strip of foam board. Well, it's not that thin. It's like this wide. I'm going to sketch out a curve near the top. And I used an X-Acto knife to cut the curve. I actually used a gold paint marker to color around the outsides. I glued tinfoil onto it to make a mirror. This is actually a full-length mirror. Even if it doesn't reflect that much, it can just look like that, so it's the same size as the dolls. Now that these are dry, I'm just going to paint them so that they match the rest of the cubicle. I made a clothes rack over here by taking thin strips of wood and then gluing them together, and also some for the feet. I can put little hangers on it also. After the drawers are painted, I glue on the handles to make working drawers. I also took some popsicle sticks and cut them to make some architecture on this back wall. And now I'm going to paint them white to match, to add a nice detail to the back of the room. I cut out a piece of foam board to be a desk over here because I want to make it sort of like a salon table. I'm going to put a push pin into the wall so that I can hang a mirror. For the mirror, I'm actually going to use this old candle top. I'm just going to hang it on top of the push pin. I added a chair and some accessories on the table. I also added a fuzzy rug. Now I'm going to add in some accessories like maybe a shopping bag and a bunch of clothes on racks. I have this little shopping bag I'm just going to put over here near the rack. I have some of these little hangers too. I have this necklace stand that I made with some pearls on it. I added some dresses to the rack also. I also hung up some more clothes on racks over here. And this little purse. I added a couple more accessories to finish the room. I think this will be a nice addition to all my miniature dioramas, and I can use it as a set for a bunch of the new episodes. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and tell us what you thought and what kind of videos you want to see. Also follow us on Instagram. Bye! Alright, Sabine, looks like you're just about done.
Wow, Talia, you did a great job. My hair looks really nice.
And the dress fits perfectly.
You look great, Sabine. Let me just go get you a purse from over there to match it. Hello? You're finished, aren't you? Get out of the chair. I want to have a haircut. All right, geez. Excuse me, I'm waiting.
Ah, Sabine, are you still here? Well, Jess is getting her haircut, it looks like. Wait a minute.
Just give me a trim. Don't cut too much off. All right.
Hey, Talia.
What is it, Icicle? I don't want to keep her waiting.
I'll give you $1,000 if you let me cut Jess's hair.
Icicle, I can't do that.
Think about it. Every time she comes in here, she demands you and she never gives you a tip.
Well, all right, then hand over the $1,000.
Gladly. It's not mine anyway. Alright, I finished your haircut. You can look in the mirror now.
What the? What have you done? Wait, you cut it?
See you later, Sabine.